Downspout extensions are used to move the roof water away from your foundation, away from the house. And I'm sorry that I'm writing such nasty things: bad, worthless, eyesore, ugly, and of course perfect. But as a drainage contractor, we see this every day. And honestly, these things can be fixed and be fixed the proper way, solve the problem, and make it look so good. When the gutter company comes out and installs the gutters and downspouts, they usually leave this A elbow, and they think that's all that's needed. But here's what happens when it rains hard. Water from the gutter shoots out of the downspout, and you think it goes out into the yard, but it actually goes back up under the foundation. Water soaks down through the yard and finds its way back to the foundation wall, and you have problems inside the house. So the A elbow is the incorrect way to discharge water. So maybe you call a handyman, or maybe you do this yourself. You go to the store and you buy a splash block, and you think, yeah, that's going to solve the problem. While this does help move the water a little ways away from the foundation, it's still not the proper solution. Sometimes we see these downspout extensions that are kind of like a slinky, and you can bend them to any shape and stretch them out. But you know what? Still the same problem. And this one is by far the worst. It's ugly, it's in the way, it is horrible, but it does move that water a little further away from the foundation. But if the yard is level and flat, that water moves right back up under the foundation again. The proper way to install a downspout drain and remove that water away from your home is like this. This is called a downspout drain or a drain tile. And what we're doing is we're bringing that water from the roof down into a PVC pipe. There is a clean out to get access to the line if it ever backs up, and we discharge this all the way out to the street. Remember, water is the enemy of all foundations. When water erodes through the walls, through the brick, through the block, you will have problems. So we need to install a downspout drain. We have a downspout adapter that connects the downspout to the pipe. There is a Y fitting here, and that's so we can hold the clean out assembly. And here's the clean out assembly. The clean out allows access to the line if it ever backs up, so that you can clean it out. There's also a 90-degree elbow at the bottom, and that's where the line begins and runs out to the street. This is a really great project for the do-it-yourselfer. Takes about an hour to 2 hours to dig this line, depending how long you're going to dig it, how far it is. But wow, will it save you some money in the future? And aesthetically, it looks so good. By adding the downspout drain with a clean out, you not only make it look good, you've added value to your home. So if you're a DIY, take a Saturday morning and correct this problem. It really only takes a few hours to do this the proper way. We have hundreds of videos showing you how to install this drain, but if you really need some help, try our live help video consultation via Zoom, and I can answer and help with all the problems that you might face. Get the help you need. Live help, only on Apple Drains. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.